quick financial update. It's looking real bad. Got 1,000 to the name. It's honestly less than that because I got like $400 I owe on credit cards. I had to spend $400 and something on fucking rotors for my car because on the way here I glazed them apparently. But I do have a job. I'm about to go drive 40 fucking minutes to go get a drug test done. I don't know how long I'm gonna last here though, cause the manager definitely on some like micromanaging shit. But I start the 24th, so. How you doing? I'm here for a drug test for an employment.
You have an appointment?
Nah.
I just have you check in right there, but since you're right here, let me see. Give me the number you got.
Shit. The account number? 69.
Nah, the number, registration number, starts with the 5 usually under that barcode. What's the matter?
Oh, 548.
548.
027.
027.
593.
593. I'll just have you check in there. Once you're done checking in, I'll get your ID from you.
Oh, right now?
You'll need it to check in.
Oh, to check in?
Once you're done checking in, I'll get your ID.
Oh, okay.
Robert, ready?
Yep.
Straight ahead, room 4 for me, please. I'm gonna have you take off your hoodie, anything in your pockets, personal belongings. You can sit right up here for me, boss.
I got you, bro.
Right up there on the counter on that basket right there for me.
This will get emailed to them directly, right?
They'll go directly, so they'll have results by tomorrow.
Alright, cool.
If they have any questions, they'll contact you, but you're all set, boss.
I appreciate it.